How to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. Start by opening up your web browser on your computer. Type Rockstar Social Club into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Rockstar Social Club website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the Rockstar Social Club site, log in using your account details. Look for your profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find something called Linked Accounts. You might notice there's no direct option to unlink your Steam account from here. Don't worry, we'll find another way. Go back to the Profile drop-down menu and this time select Support. In the Support Center, click on Account Support. Look for the option that says Social Club Account and click on it. Then, choose Account Linking from the available options. Now, you'll see a box where you can describe the problem you're having. Be sure to mention that you want to unlink your Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. After describing the problem, hit the Submit button to send your request for help. Keep an eye on your email inbox for updates from Rockstar support. They usually sort things out within 24 hours. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.